Okay, just have it wired up a little bit right there in the middle two wires. I got my new slip ring hooked up together with the wire for the Switch-Tronic right up here, and it's just a test. So I'm gonna push the button here. Oh yeah, there it goes. And just to test the other side, see if it works. Oh yeah, it works. So now comes the fun part, taking everything apart to put in the new slip ring. Okay, we have the car in D, then switch it to sport mode. Downshift for the first gear. There we go. Second gear. Third. Fourth. And fifth gear. Of course, it works the other way around. Downshift to 3. And up to 5. It's also possible to shift down to 3. Just hit the button twice. Up to 4. And up to 5. It physically won't let you go down to 3. So if I hit the button twice, it will automatically shift back to 4th, so it won't let you, and back up to 5th. So that was my Switch-Tronic.